recipe is in my cookbook, 99 Ninja Foodi Recipes, and you can get a copy on my website, which is www.susannahskitchen.uk. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a delicious, slow cooked, gorgeous, tender leg of lamb. For me, this is the best way to make it. It's gonna have loads of garlic and rosemary in it. It's gonna taste absolutely stunning. You can cook this on low and literally it falls off the bone. It is just so beautiful. I normally cook mine for 10 to 12 hours, so it is a really long cook, and I like to do mine overnight. You won't regret it. So good. To make my slow cooker leg of lamb, I'm just doing a little bit of prep here. I've got something cooking in the Ninja at the moment, so this is going to go on to slow cook, and I'm going to slow cook this all night long. It's going to be absolutely delicious. What I'm doing now is I'm just adding all my ingredients into this dish, and then later on, before I go to bed, I can quickly put it all into the Ninja without having any faff or trouble at that point. So I have got some gorgeous fresh rosemary, which smells incredible. So rosemary and lamb are going to go together wonderfully. I have chopped up a large onion here. So when we put this into the slow cooker, I will sit that on the bottom. Look at the size of this garlic. So this is one big bulb that I've chopped in half. So get those all in. I want to season my lamb well. So we want salt. I'm going to put that over the top. It's a big piece of lamb, this. I had to actually cut the end off, which was a bit of a mission, so that I could actually fit it into the Ninja. So do bear that in mind when you're buying your lamb. Black pepper. Oh yes, like a good amount of black pepper. I think keeping the flavours really simple is nice. Rosemary, garlic, onion, it's all good. I like to add in some paprika. I've got a big jar of it here. I use lots of paprika. Tend to buy it in as a big bag. It's just much more cost effective. So, good couple of teaspoons on top. And then my second herb that I'm using is some dried thyme, because I think that goes really well. And then for my liquids, I'm using 200 millilitres of stock here. So that is my stock. You can use lamb, beef, chicken stock, whatever you've got really. And then some red wine. Of course, you don't have to use red wine. You could put more stock in if you prefer. So let's just measure this out. I want 150 millilitres. So that is all the liquid that I'm going to need. So why not pour that over now? And then all I've got to do before I go to bed is put this on to cook. Now, I'm going to do this on low. And I do think that is a nice thing about the Ninja, is it does really cook low and slow and really steady. And it's just lovely. I'm going to go with 10 to 12 hours, which is what I'm saying. I'm putting it on when I go to bed. And we're having this for lunch tomorrow. So I will show you the next stage, probably not before I go to bed, but I'll show you in the morning what it's looking like. So it's the next morning and here is the result. Look how tender that lamb is. That's been cooking for around 12 hours overnight. So let's get it out and let's have a look exactly what we've got. I adore my lamb like this. For me, this is the only way of cooking it. I add some extra rosemary on top and then I just start to shred that meat. You've got the flavour of garlic and rosemary and this meat just pulls apart. If you like the look of the recipe, please do hit the like button for me and subscribe to my channel if you would like more Ninja Foodi recipes from me. Thanks for watching.